How you doing, Alex?
Yeah, boy.
It's getting quite snowy now, isn't it?
Snowy.
It's getting a bit foggy,
Foggy.
a bit misty. How far do you reckon we got to go?
End of the world.
Oh my god, I don't want to go that far, I've had enough. Oh, let's go!
Five, 6 foot snow tomorrow morning.
Oh, nice. Oh, wicked. Well, it's good insulation, isn't it? That's where we got to go. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. It's fine. This is nice. This is a lovely walk. Yo.
Serious stuff now. Okay, so we walked from the pub up the hill and we're about a quarter of the way to the rock formation that we're going to camp at.
No.
God,
How long is that taking us, John?
what time is it? Is it 1 in the morning?
No.
It fucking is.
No, it's not.
It's fucking. It's what? It's
Wait, let me
quarter,
look at the time on your phone.
it's 1:15. Shit.
Oh no.
We'll be done by 3.
I think we fucking.
Good.
Back. Oh, yeah.
Here we are. Campsite 0.
Well, I'll tell you what, though.
Ground 0.
Get fucking cold a minute.
That's fucking.
Let's get the tent going.
So I've got to thank John for lending me this tent, but I can't figure out how to get in the thing. Seems to be no entrance to it. I think it's just one complete sealed unit. There's no entrance. John's got a nice tent. Alex, how are you doing over there? Excellent.
I was just saying, like, John pitched it up for me once.
Oh no, there is no.
There's no entrance to it. Ah ha ha! Well done, John.
Leave that out a little.
I've got it. Yeah, I see. Got you.
You got it.
Thank you very much.
Take that peg out. You don't
Yeah.
need that peg.
I don't need that peg. Yes, thanks, dude. Legend.
You're in. That's cool, Ben.
Yeah. 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 Doing good.
when it was open now, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it would have been the brush of trees.